Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm showing you another dual form set with a super easy, soft, and really beautiful nail art design. I'm testing the new version of the Square L dual form today. It's made for downward growing nails. The curve and C shape really cover the sidewalls perfectly, and the apex sits right in the center, giving that nice classic structure when I put it next to the old version. You can totally see the difference, and my favorite part. It's thinner and way more flexible around the cuticle area, which makes it so much easier to work with. It's perfect for my nails, they grow downward. Can you believe this is the same nail that had onychosis? We fixed it just 6 days ago with fiberglass, and look at it now. It's healthy, strong, and ready for a new set. As you can see, my nails grow downward and have quite a strong curve. Now look here when I place the form from the cuticle area and press it down. It lays perfectly flat and covers the sidewalls completely. It looks so good. As always, I'm marking the guidelines with my marker. I'm applying the product inside the form just like in the previous tutorials. First, I do a thin layer along the sidewalls and cure it. Then I fill the free edge following the guidelines. Cure again. Next, I fill the rest of the form. For prep and manicure, make sure to check out my manicure and dual form playlists, especially if you're new here, because I don't repeat those steps in every video. I place it under the cuticle at the right angle and slowly press it down. I cure just the cuticle area for a few seconds, check underneath, fix the gel if needed, and then cure it for 60 seconds. Ah, the best part, removing the form, that satisfying sound. Don't forget to wipe off that sticky layer with cleanser. As you can see, there's no need for filing, just clean up the sidewalls a little. The file goes underneath the nail, kept parallel to the center line. You can shorten the length with any tool you like. I'm using a paddle disc for this part. The underside looks super clean. No product leaked, nothing stuck to the skin. I'm just lightly filing underneath to smooth out any uneven spots and make everything nice and even. Watch where I'm placing my finger. Now I'm thinning out the free edge, keeping it around 1 millimeter. The drill bit angle to the free edge is about 45 degrees. I'm using a soft buffer, and then we'll move on to the nail art. I'm applying a thin layer of this glitter gel on the free edge, then blending it out with my ombre brush. I'm doing the same on the rest of my nails, but I don't want them all to look exactly the same, so I'm changing the placement of the glitter on each one. Before curing, I'm adding some chrome flakes right on top of that. Guys, I did this to remove the extra color and any lint that may have stuck to it. Go ahead and cure it. Don't forget to lightly file the free edge after applying the top coat. It not only makes the nails look cleaner, but it also helps the set last much longer. Check the thickness of the free edge, the arch, one more time. You might want to run your file over it just a little to make sure everything's perfect. You guys already know how much I love the dual form technique. It's quick, easy, and super long lasting. And honestly, with all the new products coming out, it just keeps getting better. Stay updated, try the new stuff, and make your work even easier.